Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Measurement Exercises Part 1. This video presents a number of exercises to help you revise the area of measurement. We'll go through each slide slowly and you can pause it at any time, and the answers are at the end for you. Write the following measurements in metres by using a decimal point where necessary. So you're just asked to answer those questions there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. If each small square has an area of 1 square centimetre, what is the total area of each of the following shapes? So remember, each of these squares here, no matter which one you pick, the area is 1 square centimetre. What is the area of each shape? You can pause the video at any time for as long as you want. Consider the following different units which are used to measure the amount of liquid: millilitres, litres, kilolitres and megalitres. For each of the following, pick the most suitable unit to measure capacity. So you've got some medicine in a little teaspoon, you've got someone filling up their tank with fuel, and you've got this large dam of water. And you have to pick the correct measurements, the correct units from this list here. You are to pick only 3. Consider the following different units which are used to measure mass. For each of the following, pick the most suitable unit to measure mass. So here's a person trying to find their mass using a scale. This is a large truck, and here's some sugar in a spoon. So you pick the most suitable unit for each of those. How many seconds in 1 minute? How many minutes in 1 hour? How many hours in 1 day? For each of the following times, how many minutes will it be until the minute hand reaches the 12? That is, on the hour. So this minute hand here, how many minutes will it be till it gets to that 12? How many minutes will it be till this hand gets to the 12? This is 3:45. How many minutes will this be for this time to show 4 o'clock? And how many minutes will it be for this digital clock to show 10 o'clock? Complete each of the following. So you read those carefully, and as I said, you can pause the video for as long as you want, and you can write those answers on a sheet of paper. I'll go to the next slide shortly, because that's where the answers are. So the answers are on the next 3 slides, and here we go. That's the first slide with all the answers. As I said before, you're in total control, and you pause the video whenever you want for as long as you want. And there are the answers for the next slide. And there are the answers for the last slide.